You're a YouTuber. That means you're juggling content strategy, shot planning, scripting, editing, thumbnails, and SEO. All creative work, all time-consuming. And then you hit record on your tutorial. You mess up one line, you restart, you stumble on a word, you restart again. Suddenly you're on take 12 and you've fallen behind on the very plan you created. Here's what nobody tells you: you've been lied to. The entire creator economy runs on this idea that you have to choose between quality and quantity. Either you ship fast and sacrifice polish, or you take your time and post less. But that's a false choice, and it's killing your channel's momentum. What if you could record naturally, imperfections and all, then let AI handle the polish? What if your first take could actually be your final take? That's not wishful thinking. That's the workflow Cadence is built for. You focus on teaching. It handles the delivery. Quality and quantity stop being enemies. They become partners. It starts simple. Open Cadence in your browser, hit record, no heavy software, no complicated setup. Just capture your screen and explain what you're teaching. Say, keep going. Stumble over a word? No problem. Mess up an entire section? Just keep recording. The AI will clean it up later. Record the whole tutorial in one natural take. Here's where the magic happens. After you record, the AI tools kick in. Filler words get removed automatically. Pacing gets smoothed out. Background noise gets cleaned up. Your accent gets refined if you want. Your voice stays natural. Your message stays intact. But the delivery sounds like you spent hours editing. You didn't. You spent 18 minutes total. Do the math. Old workflow: record, review, re-record, edit. Roughly 2.5 hours for a 15-minute tutorial. Cadence workflow: record once, let AI polish, publish. 18 minutes total. That's not just time saved, that's 8 times faster. That's 4 more tutorials you can ship this month. That's consistency without burnout. Stop choosing between quality and quantity. You don't have to. Try Cadence at usecadence.co. Record your next tutorial once, let AI handle the polish, and ship faster than ever. If this helps your workflow, hit subscribe. More creator tool breakdowns coming every week.